Alright, me and Eric are going to try to line bore a case. Oh yeah. Another hook. Lots of them. I see smoke. Well, that must be from the barbecue grill. The smoke's probably from the barbecue grill, eh?
Hey.
That was easy.